Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today I am having a question that is a very simple question related to ratio and proportional. But before solving it, is requested to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner and don't forget to like, share and comments. So the question today we are having that is, if A ratio B is to 2:3 and B ratio C is equal to 4:5, then find A square ratio B square ratio B multiplied by C. So the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the ratios for A, B and C, and for this we are having A ratio B. So we take that is A ratio B and B ratio C. So here we are having that is B and we take B ratio C. So the thing which you have to do that is A ratio B. So here we write that is the value of A ratio B is 2:3. So here we write 2:3 and B ratio C we are having that is 4:5. So we just write it downward, 4:5. So these are now the ratio, and to find out the exact ratio for A, B and C, we have to take out the first thing, which is, so we multiply A by B. So this is downward B. So here we multiply A by the downward B. So here we get 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 ratio. And now for B, so both sides we are having B, and here also we take B by B. So 3 multiplied by 4 we get here that is 12 ratio. And for B ratio C, so this will be multiplied by the downward 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 we get here the answer that is 15. So this 8 ratio 12 ratio 15 is the value for A ratio B ratio C. So we have just found the ratios for A, B and C. And now the next thing which we have to do, we have to find out A square ratio B square ratio B is to C. So for this we do that is, therefore A square ratio B square ratio, and that is B multiplied by C. So this is to be find out. So here we are having the value for A, that is, we have just found that is 8. So we write 8 and here we are having square. So we put square upward ratio, and the value of B we are having that is 12 whole square ratio, and B is to C. So B we are having that is 12. So 12 multiply by the C, and this value of C we are having that is 15. I hope you have understood. So now 8 multiplied by 8 we get, so here it is square, so here we get that is 64. So 8 by square, that is 64 ratio, and for 12 we get that is 144 ratio, and 12 multiplied by 15 we get the answer that is 180. So here we have just found the values. So it can be also brought into a simple form. So all these ratios can be divided by 4. So we divide it by 4. So after dividing it we get the answer that is 64 divided by 4, we get the answer that is 16 ratio, and 144 divided by 4 we get the answer that is 36, and 180 by 4 we get the answer that is 45. So here we have just brought it into the simple form. So these portion, these ratio 16 ratio, 36 ratio, 45 are the values for A square, B square and B is to C. So A square, B square ratio B is to C, and these are our answer. These values are our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.